Absolutely, of course they've flown in formation on several previous occasions, and what an incredible sight this aircraft makes. We're all relatively familiar, I think, with the Vulcan now, whether from its days in RAF service or since 2008's return to flight, the remarkable return to flight of this example, thanks to the Vulcans of the Sky Trust, and particularly thanks to all of you who have donated so magnificently to keep this aircraft flying. But its impact never fails.
They're often referred to as the people's aircraft. Yes, Ben, very noteworthy there to mention that it is everybody across the United Kingdom that has contributed to this. And I'll tell you a little bit more about Project 2015 before the end of this display as well. But Kev, give us whilst it's out, give us a quick feel. What's it like to fly this particular aircraft?
It's amazing actually. It's a very large aircraft, big delta wing. The aircraft is about the same size as an Airbus A320 airliner, but it flies like a fighter. The controls are very, very strong, powerful controls. So when we're flying the aircraft, it flies and feels like we're flying an aircraft significantly smaller than the aircraft actually is.
And that much, of course, was demonstrated so memorably at Farnborough in 1955 by the Avro test pilot Rolly Falk, who rolled one of the prototype Vulcans. And well, we see something of that, don't we, in the very steep wingovers that the aircraft still to this day performs.
And that's correct. We could, the aircraft is capable of rolling, but we're not allowed to do that. But we do wingovers, we pitch up and use up to about 135 degrees of bank. As you see now, the aircraft coming towards us, we'll be doing one of those manoeuvres right now, crowd sensor.
And very poignantly, we remember today young Jason Ward and his mother, Beverly Pena, who are very much missed by their family and friends.
Gentlemen, the start of this display season this year we've introduced a B-axis on-crowd arrival. The rest of the display is very similar as you may have seen in the past, consisting of wingovers and seat turns. Bill Ramsey flying the aircraft at the moment. We swing the aircraft back in the left-hand turn and we'll be performing the bomb bay turn. So cameras ready. As the aircraft comes crowd centre, she'll start a right-hand turn and the bomb doors will be opened, showing you the large expanse of the bomb bay itself.
And how appropriate, as always, to see XH558 performing here at Waddington. We're in bomber country, of course, here up in Lincolnshire, and for many years Waddington was itself not just the base for Vulcan squadrons, but the base of this aircraft.
You'll hear the mighty roar of those four Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus 202 dark turbojets with 16,400 pounds of power each. And look at that huge wingspan of 111 feet, just a little bit bigger, would you believe, than an Airbus A318.
It's perhaps hard to believe from the very advanced look of this aircraft's design that this was a machine that first flew in prototype form, then known as the Avro 698 in 1952.
Yes, from the hands of the remarkable Roy Chadwick, and who would believe that just 11 years earlier, the Lancaster, which he also described, took flight as well. I mean, amazing turnaround in technology in the space of little over 10 years. Quite an achievement, and it all started, I understand, with a scruffy bit of paper and an old drawing, wondering whether this could actually fly. So the bomb bay turn is complete, the doors closed, doors slide out now.
And maybe hear a chance to hear that famous howl.
It's very sad to note that there's a similar history to R.J. Mitchell, who died before the amazing success of the Spitfire came to prominence that Roy Chadwick himself died in 1947 and never really saw, of course, the great success of this aircraft, and his work taken on by a band of very, very able engineers, just as those supporting the aircraft here today.
It was really a mark of the success of the V-Force as part of Britain's nuclear deterrent during the Cold War years that the Vulcan didn't actually have to go to war until the Falklands in 1982.
Now approaches from the left towards South Centre, and the bar bill will be beginning on left-hand trim return. And about just all the way down the stairs will be a 5 hour. Onto the B-axis to depart, and then a final wing over left before he comes back into land.
Some £10 million it's taken to get things this far as XH558's return to flight.
He actually spent most of his time on a tiny little aircraft called a Tutor, but I know he relishes his weekends while flying this aircraft. And yes, Ben, I was referring to that support. It is extraordinary how much money has gone into this, but you know, let's just look at the people out there today supporting it, and they're right across the country.
And of course, a number of corporate sponsors as well who've given generously to the Vulcan of the Sky Trust over the years. Of course, the Civil Aviation Authority has been very supportive in all those endeavours. Likewise, the Aircraft Engineering Authority, Marshall Aerospace, and other firms giving tremendous support. AD Holdings, BA Systems, Beagle Technology, Cranfield Aerospace, EADS, Goodrich, Kearsley Airways, Meggitt, Messier Doughty, Rolls-Royce and Serco. Just bear in mind that this aircraft takes about £2 million a year to run. No aircraft is cheap to run, an aircraft of this size and complexity especially so.
No, that's quite something to have in a private collection, isn't it? Kev, you were about to say.
Now, just to mention that, so we haven't actually mentioned the AEOs on board today. We normally fly with two. With one, we've got two. Phil Davies is the man in the seat today, and he works for Select ES, who are very good in sponsoring us and also giving him the time to do this work. And also Jonathan Lazari is with us, just joined the team. He works for Cobham, and they do a very similar deal where they release Jonathan to fly with us, and so in fact are sponsoring us as well.
Very appropriate to the aircraft today, Liz, at a former Vulcan base, what used to be RAF Tillingsley, now Robin Hood Airport, Doncaster, Sheffield. You can go and visit it there. You can go and join the Vulcan to the Sky Club and find out more about everything at www.vulcantothesky.com.